I welcome everyone to my channel. This video will be about how I managed to automatize the activity process of the STEPN application while you are at home. Let's look at what functions are available to the user. First, we can choose the type of sneakers. Depending on it, the program will automatically adjust the best speed of movement. Second, the program determines your location, as well as builds a route itself, depending on the selected activity time. I also forgot to mention that manual selection of the activity time is available in the program. To start using the program, firstly we need to connect the phone to the PC using a USB cable and click Trust this computer. After that, run the program. The information about the connected device should be displayed in the upper left corner. Don't forget to switch Wi-Fi to mobile internet in your phone. After that, we select the type of sneakers we need in the program and select the same type of sneakers in the application on the phone. I'll give you an example on jogger sneakers. Next, select the activity time. In my case, I will choose 5 minutes. Let's move on to the most important thing. First of all, we press the Run button in the program on the computer. After that, press the Start button on the phone. The countdown is on. At this time, the program builds a route and starts moving. Now I'm showing you how it works. You can see that my phone is near the computer, connected via USB, and at this time the STEPN application shows the time moving at an average speed of 5 km per hour. Wow, we did it! The program works perfect. I will not shoot the whole process in order to not take up a lot of your time, and I will show you only the beginning and the end of the process. I also forgot to say that the program can be stopped manually by pressing the Stop button in the program. Then follow the program prompt. You can download this program in the description under the video. Thank you all for watching. I hope this video was useful for you.